Are you a data enthusiast looking to elevate your data interpretation skills? Do you wish to harness the power of Python to make data more understandable and impactful? Or perhaps you're a student preparing for a future career in data science or statistical analysis. Welcome to the Statistical Data Analysis with Python training. In this valuable training, we'll guide you through the complex insights of data analysis, enabling you to use Python to its full potential in extracting meaning from your data. This training covers everything from exploring data science basics, designing statistical data models, to initiating insightful A/B testing. The best part? Our hands-on course project bridges theory and practice, empowering you to launch and succeed in any industry. Our learning environment is tailored to provide personalized support to each and every student. Our dedicated team of educators and tutors is just a click away, ensuring you get the guidance you need to excel in your studies. Are you prepared to level up your skills? Book a free consulting meeting with our knowledgeable experts and explore the best path for your growth.